Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to program Optimum remote to your TV. For that, you just have to simply first come to this website because this website will give you the instructions to basically program your remote control. So once you will be on this page, it will ask you which remote do you have. So from this list, you just have to select the type of remote that you have. So let's say you have this remote, so you just have to simply click on it and wait for some time until it gives you further instructions. So I will also put the link of this page down in the description, and it will help you to program your remote according to the type of remote that you have. So since I selected the first option, it is showing me the instructions that I need to follow in order to basically program the remote. So first you need to press the home button or this button on your remote, and then from the home screen you need to select settings. Select the remote icon at the bottom of the screen and then select pair remote um, to at least one. Now follow the directions on screen, then select pair remote control. Once a remote is paired, it will only work with the paired box. And if you want to use the remote with a different box, you need to learn the different things about it. Now the time to program your remote. So you just have to simply follow these instructions that are given over here, and you are done. First, you need to just turn on your TV, then press and hold the T power button and the number button for your TV's brand simultaneously for 3 seconds. Then release the status light will turn on. So whichever number you see, this is the significance of this. So press and hold the T power button until the TV turns off, then press select to store the code. The status light will turn off, then press the TV power button. If successfully paired, the TV will turn on. Now confirm that the remote is working for the TV volume and mute functions. If any functions are not working or your TV brand is not listed above, you need to try using the auto search programming methods below. So you can even click over here and you can even go with the auto search programming methods. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.